Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing your data and power. Backup files to an external drive or OneDrive now and verify the copies. Once done, make sure the Surface is plugged in and battery is above 50% so the process won't fail. You should sign out of accounts, note any product keys, and turn off BitLocker or suspend it. This prevents encryption locks after reset. After these prerequisites, move to Settings to initiate the reset procedure. I'll walk you through the exact steps. You now perform the reset. Open Settings, go to System, then Recovery, and select Reset this PC. When prompted, pick Keep My Files if you want apps removed but documents retained, or remove everything for a full wipe. Next, choose Cloud Download to get a fresh copy from Microsoft or Local Reinstall to use files on your device. Cloud may take longer but avoids corrupted local images. Confirm choices, read warnings, and click Reset. The Surface will restart and begin reinstallation automatically. Once the reset completes, you'll go through the OOB. Pick region, sign into your Microsoft account, and apply Windows updates right away to ensure drivers are current. Then reinstall apps and restore files from backup. If the reset fails or Windows won't reinstall, use the Surface UEFI to check storage detection, or create a USB recovery drive on another PC and boot the Surface from USB to recover. Make sure to re-enable BitLocker only after confirming the system is stable and your backups are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.